Hi everyone, I decided to make a quick video about the market. Let's see what is going on. Let me start with Bitcoin. Bitcoin corrected yesterday to these levels, and currently, if I just go to high time frame, it either will continue its uptrend from here, from these levels, or other possibility is that it will simply chop for another weeks, as for example we had here, like long chop range, or here for example, before doing any significant move up. So what it means for us, we should be more careful with trading altcoins, since they're very sensitive to any move of Bitcoin. Even though Bitcoin yesterday dumped 7%, most altcoins they dumped even more, and it's all because of the Bitcoin dominance that gave us really strong pump, and currently it rejected from this resistance zone, which is positive for now. And if I go to weekly, like it would be perfect to have a weekly close lower than this candle. So it means that this candle is weaker, like somewhere here in the middle. In this case, most probably will be that the dominance will continue declining towards this area where I was expecting. If it will not, like if we see now bullish close, like higher than this candle, then it will mean that next week is gonna be also very volatile for altcoins. It may even go higher towards this resistance zone at 58 and 59%. Okay, and yeah, weekly right now also looks not good. So I need to have to see a close below this EMAs on 2 weekly time frame too. So we have 5 days, we have this week, which means that this week will be not easy to trade. So even if we will take any positions, there will be most probably like spot accumulation, or on really like a scalp trades with small stop losses. Because if we will have two weekly close like this, then it will mean that most probably Bitcoin dominance will try to reach towards this level 70, which for me should be really the last level. Okay, so we should be careful this week. Then USDT dominance, let me check. So on a weekly time frame, so far it looks bullish. Okay, it went a little bit below than this previous low, and on a weekly time frame, if everything will be closed like this and RSI is gonna stay like this, then it's gonna mean that we have hidden bullish divergence on weekly time frame, which means that correction is here. Okay, I was expecting it to happen like on the first days of the January, as we were talking before. Then of course my high time frame view changed. I thought that we will not have any deep correction like this, like right now, I mean during this period, December, January. But as you can see, market changed pretty fast. That's why we should have like stop losses and manage risk management. So yeah, we have 5 days for both weekly and 2-weekly time frames. Also, it came to 200 EMA on 2-weekly. So we may have move like this before any significant dump towards to these levels. And if we will have something like this, it will mean 20% of the move. Yeah, 20%, or we have here also this level, or 10%, like one of these possibilities. Like I cannot say right now which one we may have, or maybe we will not have at all. So we should keep in mind that that we will have a correction is pretty high. And total 3 on monthly still for me fine. On 2-week still looks fine for me, to be honest. I don't see anything bad because first of all we had this 2-weekly, like 2-weekly and weekly, they almost the same. We had this close above this 2 EMAs, 50 and 100 EMA, which is really good. Then we had retest of this gray box. So either we will have some more chop with further breakout. Sorry, my neighbors are still drilling. I don't know if you can hear or not. So yeah, either we'll have some chop like this with further breakout, but if we will have like positive weekly close, then it means that this chop will be somewhere here, just a small really chop with further breakout towards the new highs. So which means that weak altcoins, they're gonna like decline a bit on a lower time frame, and stronger ones, they will still pump. For example, I was checking recently Aave. Yeah, Aave, look at this. Look at this bounce. It is super strong. It recovered pretty fast. So either like some altcoins will still pump as they used to, but some they will just chop, they will show weakness and consolidate a bit longer. Okay, then what else I wanted to tell you? So this we checked. Bitcoin right now for me, it's nothing. It's still in range. So it should at least close above, let's say 100K with the body. In this case, it will be positive and should not close below 94K. In this case, it will go even lower towards to this 50 EMA or 90, 89 thousand levels, which I think we will not have. It will be a discount for most people because most people sold their bitcoins probably at 100K, and of course they will want to buy it lower, or maybe most people are also shorting from 100K to, let's say, catch the top, you know. And in my opinion, that market will not give these discounts for people to buy because we had already pretty long range over here and people were still calling for, I don't know, 30K. So I think that we'll have something like this, like not this kind of long range, but something like this, few weeks before like going higher. A few weeks or maybe 4 more days before going higher. Because also I checked MicroStrategy with GBTC. They have strong correlation between each other. So GBTC, I was writing about this. So when I saw this breakout from here and this close above the 0.5, 0.618 levels and above this previous high, I was sure that it will continue going up. Okay, that's why I was also bullish on Bitcoin, and there were like strong signs that it will pump. But at the end, with the next day, like Monday, we had this open, which is not nice currently. So that's why I expect that it still like will chop like this before going higher. So this EMAs will also catch up, and yeah, like my high time frame view is still bullish. And if we go to SP500, SP500 also looks weak. Like yesterday it opened with a dump. That's why like the market followed SPX. As I always say, like if SP500 will correct, the rest market will also follow. So I expect to see like maybe 1-2 days of red days to come to this EMAs before continuing like uptrend. But most important to have like bullish signs on these levels at 6,000 and 5,992. Very important. If we will not have bullish signs on 4-hour time frame or even daily time frame, okay, and this will mean that the market will go a bit lower towards to this 50 EMA. And as you can see on daily, like this EMA was also standing as a good support for bullish trend continuation. And the worst case, we can come to 100 EMA. Like also, it depends like on the price of movement. If we will have really fast dump like this, or here you can see 1-2 candles, that's it. 1, like 2, 3, 4 candles, like 4 days, and that's it. It will be really perfect for all of us. It means that already in the middle of the December or closer to the Christmas, we'll have this Christmas rally. Like it's a seasonality pattern, and VIX also bounced, like it went lower as I was drawing on the chart before, but yeah, it came to these levels. I was expecting it to come a bit lower, but we got what we have, and it bounced from this level 12.869, and currently on 4-hour we can see that it is above 50 EMA, which means that SP500 will go a bit lower, and we will have some chop on Bitcoin, which will lead volatility from both sides, short and longs, in altcoins. So VIX I expect to come either to this EMA and reject, or this one. Most important, it should not have any close above this 200 or 100 EMAs, or just let's say $17. If you see, if I will not be next to the charts and you see the signs, it means that okay, some deep correction probably will happen. It means that VIX will pump towards to $20, which is always strong resistant level, and for SP500 it will mean that it will probably come to these levels, like somewhere here, 5,840 approximately again. Okay, And this correction of 3%, trust me, it is enough for Bitcoin to go crazy, chop, and altcoins maybe will come again to their lows that we had like these days. Sorry for my voice, I'm getting sick here in this cold apartment with no gas and anything. It will mean for altcoins that they will just chop in this area. That's why I suggest you to buy spot right now. Most coins, they look really good. Let's take this one. It came to first take profit and dumped. Like, as I said before, as I was writing, don't put stop losses right now on spot positions, because we will buy any dip. If you have, for example, this coin, DCA right here, okay, it has good structure. It doesn't it doesn't show that it will go lower. If I go to monthly time frame, 3 monthly time frame, like I still expect the prices to go higher. Why? Because we can see this candle, the 3 monthly candle was first of all, it is closing above the previous one, and second, it has a bullish candle, which means it's bigger than the previous one. Okay, it's one of the patterns, candle patterns. I will send you a PDF file where you will look for this candle patterns, and it's really useful when you trade, when you do price action trading. So yeah, we can see here also the next one was bullish. Here this one is bullish. Doge is strong. Hook has good levels to buy. Like this we can do. And that Sol look also nice. Like all these coins look good. And also it's not just a candle pattern, but also RSI. RSI is above the middle, or at least it is crossing the middle. It is also a bullish sign. If, for example, if I will find now any moment, I need to find a coin. Yeah, for example, we have it here. Or this one, let's take this one. For example, we had this crazy pump, but RSI was still like, it was not even closer to the middle, okay? So it went sideways, and the price started to be in range with some small bearish movements. Neighbors are again drilling, and then we can see that it didn't want to cross below the 30 on RSI, and it started to going up. For this you need to check like lower time frames, and we can see that it was going up, then it crossed here the middle, then again chop, and with the second try it didn't cross the middle, so it gave us long sideways movement with bearish momentum. And currently we have this bullish candle close previous, second we have this EMA's cross, and third, right now we need to break this middle, and for this to break it we need a momentum, which I expect to have on altcoins anyway soon. And if we go to 2-weekly time frame, at least we can see that here 5 EMA is crossing with 50 EMA, and to cross it, it needs a momentum. And for example, if we will buy here ARPA with this stop loss like on a spot, okay, because for long this for leverage position it is super wide stop loss. And if we will buy But here I expect to have a bullish momentum at least until this previous highs, which is like 60 to 78%, which is really nice for the one pump. And if you would wonder like how to long these trades, then we go to 4 hour. 4 hour, we see this long wick. We take FIPS. Okay, we take FIPS. First try, we long from here with small stop loss and really small leverage, and our take profits gonna be like around this EMA and this EMA. And if I will turn off EMAs, we should have here FVG level. Okay, we have this FVG level. We put again this FIPS, and we start taking profits like this in 3 turns. It will be a scalp long, and you will have all the 3 take profits. All right, why I'm giving you this kind of trick to trade? Because as I said, we still like the Bitcoin gonna be in a range. SP500 shows its weakness, which means that there still will be some maybe day, maybe it will be only today, maybe tomorrow, some bearish moves. Okay, USDT dominance still looks strong, and Bitcoin dominance also looks strong. Like there are levels that certain indices they should break to give us clean bearish setup or clean bullish setup. And right now it's 50-50, so I don't want to risk, and I don't want you to risk right now. So that's why really small position, quick take profits, small stop loss, because if we will continue our bearish move, it means that until the US market will open, alts will come here until this 4-hour FAG level where it has resistance, right? And probably it will come, like alts may come down to fill this wicks, okay, on 4-hour. It is pretty possible. So in this case, you set limit orders to buy here and here and here. Again, with small leverage, small position, like and also don't open too many positions, because like if you will have like 10 positions at once, even with like small percentage open, it will be still really heavy for your portfolio if everything will go down again, let's say 20%, okay, or 15%, okay. And other thing, for example, if the oh my god, if the coin will go up, yeah, and it will start doing moves like this, and will try to close above the 4-hour FEG. In this case, that said, the price will not come here, it will continue going up. It will show bullish momentum on a high time frame. For example, this coin already is facing 4-hour resistance, so this coin I would not take too long right now. This coin is interesting. This coin is interesting. Ava looks nice. It really looks nice, but how to take it. Like in this case, you can take it from here, but see again, you're gonna have a wide stop loss. Or take like with really small leverage and DCA below. Like this, 10%, and DCA below if the price will come. Because this one is looks strong and it may just break right now this level at 285 and continue its move at least to 356, for example. And if I will go to TRB, looks fine. TRB can be taken, still strong. XMR, it was really good, rejected. So I would put like this stop loss and probably will have some chop before any significant move up. Like most altcoins, they look the same, except like XRP looks really strong and it came finally to this level that I was also expecting. And it may show us some bounce, but it has also here what for our FVG level. So it may do still like this, or if it will break, it will go higher. So we should be right now really careful. If I give you like intraday trades, then they're gonna be with a quick take profit and small stop losses. For example, this coin is insanely bullish. Then this is really good level to buy. This is good. It looks good. Even if I put FIPS. Yeah, I would put first take profit here. Yeah, second somewhere here, and I would see like if it will break. A sushi looks nice, but look, this one, for example, is 50-50. It may reject from 4-hour FAG over here and will still come to fill this levels. This is 20-26 EMAs. So this would be healthy movement. For example, as with SUI, it came to fill this 20-26 EMAs and bounced. Okay, this one is more terrible. But most of altcoins came to 200 EMAs.